Ayo, what's boppin'? Literally, we out here speedrunning Angry Birds. Oh, pro. Ooh, just gotta do it. Just gotta do it. Oh, this game, easy. Bop. You just gotta tap that one and it goes faster. Bop. Oh no, I don't want to get that. No. I don't want this shitty ass game. Bop. Okay, he ain't get enough. Boom. Use another one. Good measure. Bop. Get that one all the way over there. Bop. Oh. Gotta get the three. Three. Doing it big, yeah. What the fuck is it telling me to do? Why did it tell me to do that? Oh, to see the whole thing. I see. Shit. Gotta restart. Alright. No. See, there's technique. You gotta have the technique. You know what I'm saying? There's technique to this game. Like there they go. Boom. How the fuck did the ones in the ice not die? What the hell? Pop. Okay, they're dead. Damn, I missed. There we go. What the fuck? I never used this one before. Oh shit. Okay. So you gotta like get him in there and then he does that. He like gets all big and shit. Knocks everything around. Get him in there. Boom. Oh shit, he's all the way over there. Boom. I gotta get that one right there. There we go. Okay, this is where it's getting difficult, I guess. What is this? Okay. Oh shit, it knows exactly where I'm going. What are these little yellow things here? Oh, it's... Damn. Maybe go all fast and shit? I didn't know I was a pro. Is there other ones I gotta get? Oh, I gotta get that one up there. Bop. Good night. I don't know what any of this is. Oh, is he like a cool one now? Okay. Oh, they're dead. I didn't mean to throw that one. God damn it. Sling, is that like a super slingshot? I can barely see what the fuck I'm doing. They're like all the way over there. See the what you gotta do here is you gotta take out the bottom. Oh, it's like an earthquake. Fuck, what the fuck? Oh, I gotta... It's like shaking them around. Get more birds. Let's just spam this. Okay, obviously that's not doing a damn thing, so... His hat fucked him up. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Ah. What does this do? Oh, he's like really cool now. I'm gonna skip that. Is he like a atom bomb? Not atom bomb. Fucking, god damn it. Okay. Oh, I get another one? Okay, cool. Bop. Right in the middle there. Boom, 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 boom. So I guess I'm like a pro or something at this game. I'm not sure. Oh, I get like all the good shit now? Oh, damn, I didn't mean to throw him. Here he come. Oh shit. So we're gonna do it all. Boom. 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 Got like a super shit. Zoom. Bop. I didn't mean to use that last one there. Bop. Oh shit. Wait. I have an idea. Do this. No, shake up that. That actually works. I barely had to do a damn thing. Hey, what's going on? Breaking the chains around me. Nobody else can find me. Ba-da-da. Take a good look around me. Now I'm breaking the chains. Who else do I gotta fuck up? Am I good? Do I gotta get another one? Oh, right there. Yeet. What does that do? Okay. I don't care. I don't care. That's okay. Oh my god. Cool. I don't... Okay. I know I'm a pro. Did I win? I won. Okay, there's the speed run. Hope everybody fucking enjoyed.